In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI data analyst with n8n, Google Sheets, and OpenAI. Imagine being able to ask your spreadsheet questions like, which campaign spent the most money? Or, show me the total marketing spend, and getting an instant, accurate answer without scrolling through rows or writing formulas. That's exactly what we're building, a natural language chatbot that analyzes your Google Sheet on demand. We'll start by creating the chat entry point with a node named Chat with your data. This chat trigger node gives you a simple chat interface, captures the user's question, and passes it into the workflow. Think of it as the front door to your analyst. If someone types, "Which campaign has the highest spend?" this node collects that message and sends it downstream to the AI. Next comes the brain of the system, the AI agent node called Talk to Your Data. Unlike a plain text generator, this agent can call tools, analyze data, and retrieve information. Inside its system prompt, you'll instruct it to answer questions using Google Sheets, always use the tool when needed, and be precise with the data. This prevents guessing and ensures the agent queries the sheet instead of making assumptions. To power the reasoning, connect the OpenAI chat model node. In this build, we'll use GPT 4.1 Nano. The model interprets the user's question, decides which tool to call, and crafts the final response. The agent sends structured prompts to OpenAI and receives a clear conversational answer. Now add your data source with the Google Sheets tool node named Analyze Data. This lets the AI query the sheet directly rather than uploading the entire file. Select your spreadsheet and the specific sheet, such as sample marketing data. Make sure your column headers are descriptive and numeric fields are formatted as numbers, so the agent can run accurate calculations. With this connected, the AI can report totals, compare campaign performance, calculate conversion rates, and track month-to-month changes. To keep conversations smooth, include a memory node called Memory, using a window buffer. This preserves context across turns. If the user asks which campaign spent the most, and then follows up with, what about the second highest, the AI won't lose the thread. Here's how it runs end-to-end. The user sends a message, the agent receives it, the OpenAI model reasons about it, and if data is required, the agent calls the Google Sheets tool. The sheet returns results, the AI generates the final answer, and the memory stores the conversation. Once live, you can ask for total spend across all campaigns, a breakdown for a single channel, top performers, or cost per lead. This is perfect for marketing dashboards, sales analytics, finance reports, inventory tracking, and product analytics. You've just built an AI data analyst powered by n8n, Google Sheets, and OpenAI without writing code. If you want more tutorials on AI agents, n8n automations, and business workflows, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.